There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire.
I'm cooking some paella, guys.
So yes, there you go, guys. I was thinking that I want to bring the essence of Spanish cuisine, you know. This is basically my first time to cook some paella, and I put there some butter, olive oil, a lot of olive oil because I love to cook with olive oil, and then I saute the garlic and the onions there. I'm just waiting that it turn into brownish. And then after that, guys, when it turned into brownish, I add up the bell pepper there, that is cut into cubes, and then I start to saute them again for, I guess it took me like 3 minutes to do that. And then after that, guys, I add up the tomato sauce. It's a chunk tomato sauce, you know, and I start to pour some salt there and pepper, which I was not able to capture. Sorry for that. You know, it's my first time to vlog cooking. And after that, guys, after simmering it for 5 minutes, I add up the paprika there. I just sprinkle it all over the sauce, and the fire basically is just a low fire, you know, like that. It will really simmer and the natural taste will just come out with all the spices you add on in there. And I just waited again after putting the paprika for 5 minutes again. After that, guys, I put a pinch of saffron there, as you can see. And then during that process, I have already prepared on the side 4 cups of fish stock there, and then I pour it on the sauce, and then I add up 3 cups of round rice there. I start mixing them all, and then I start to mix also and arrange all the seafoods that I have here, which I have the shrimp, the mussels, and the squid, and a lot of shrimps, a lot of squid, and a lot of mussels there, you know. And then I try to arrange it on the top of the rice, and then I leave it for 20 minutes, and with a very low fire. You're going to cover it, and I just let it cook for 20 minutes, guys. And while waiting, I already can smell the explosion of different kinds of seafoods, and it smells so good. You cannot imagine, you know. It's really a homemade seafood paella for me, and I'm loving it. The taste is so good, and I'm looking forward to make another paella. Perhaps this time it would be chicken. And this is how it looks like, guys, on the final cook. As you can see there, after 20 minutes of low fire, it's so cooked. And the seafoods there, it's cooked al dente, you know, so it's not overcooked, just enough, you know. And to eat this one, guys, you can prepare yourself a white wine. It depends on your taste, and you need to have some lemon on your side. I hope you like this first vlog of cooking, guys, and thank you so much.